Okay, so to enter an assessment into SchoolCity, you're going to go to your SchoolCity tile. You're going to go to your waffle. You're going to click on Assessments. We're going to go to Create a New Assessment, and this one's going to be an item bank. Okay, so for this one, we've been doing a normal format, ELA 03, RI 1.3, underscore, order 2, underscore, the invention of the potato chip. Okay, we're going to schedule this by grade level for grade 3, and we're going to save. And I'm sorry, the recording screen is not showing all the way down. So at the bottom of the lower right hand part of the screen, let me see if I can push that down a little bit. No, I can't bring that down. So wait, there we go. Okay, so there's the save button. Next. All right, so from here, we're actually going to create an item, and this will be for the passage. So we're going to create a passage. Passage name is and the topic for this one, it's RI 1.2 and 1.3. So I'm just going to put in main idea and key details. It just is a generic topic. We don't need to worry about Lexile level or anything like that. I'm going to click third grade level. And for this one, I'm going to try to just do a copy and paste. So I'm going to exit back out. I'm going to find the passage. And for this one, I think I'm going to try to do a screenshot only because otherwise I'm not going to get all of the text features. So I'm going to go Shift Windows S, and I'm going to copy and paste text, Control V, and I think I'm going to have to enter 2 parts of the text because, oops, it's not capturing all that. The best way to do it is to copy and paste directly from a Word document, but because of the pictures, that might make it a little bit more difficult. So go back out. Again, I'm going to Shift Windows S and screenshot some of the text. And then Control V. All right, so all of my text should be on there. Sure. Okay, so my text is all in there. So hit save. I'm going to go to next. All right, so now my text is all uploaded the way I want it. I just want to make sure everything is in there. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to publish the text. Okay, so now I'm going to exit the full screen because now I want to go back in and enter my individual test items. So I'm going to go back to create, item, and so that I can find these in my workspace without any problem, I'm just going to put potato chip number 1. This test item is a multiple choice question. Subject is ELA. Grade level 3. I'm going to link the passage that I just entered. So I'm going to go back out to my test item bank. I don't see it here. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. I'm looking right at it. The invention of the potato chip. I know you can't see that button there, but it says select. So now these question items that I add are going to be linked to that text. All right, so question number 1. Go back out to my test. Scroll down to number 1. And I don't need to worry about the number 1 because SchoolCity is actually set up so that it gives you your item numbers. So I'm just going to copy and I'm going to do Control V. And again, I'm going to take out that number 1 because that's going to show up later. Okay, there are 4 answer choices. One, Control B. Two, Control V. Oops. Okay, so all my answer choices are in there. I need to be sure to choose the correct answer. Hit save. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to my next item. I need to make sure that I exit full screen. Oops. I'm sorry. Save. Next. I forgot a very important step. All right, so grade 3, informational text. This question is targeting standard RI 1.2. Save. Next. Now, I know that at one of the other schools, they're choosing some of the accommodations to add for their students. Right now, your administration method is either online or paper. That way, your students can take it through e-learning or they can take your paper and pencil. I'm going to go ahead and just add the dictionary if our ELL students are taking it. I'm going to go ahead and add the text-to-speech feature. This can be disabled if you need to. There are other things that you could add if you want to. I don't worry about any of these other things here. Hit save. Okay, so that's all set. I like the way that looks. So I'm going to publish. Okay, now I'm going to exit full screen. Unless I can do it from here. I guess I can do it right from here. I'm going to exit full screen. I don't want to mess up that one question. All right, so next one, item number 2. And then I'm going to again do the potato chip number 2. This one is a multiple response. ELA, 3rd grade. Link passage. The invention of the potato chip. Hit select. Number 2. Copy. Control V. Again, I'm going to take out that number in there. Okay. And this is important because I've messed this up before. Be sure to choose the number of choices, because if you don't ahead of time and you start answering or start putting in your answers, you'll have to enter them all over again. So make sure that you've chosen the correct number of answer choices before you start entering the choices. Control V. And I need to make sure that I choose my correct answer choices. For this one, the correct answers are B and E. Save. Sorry, I have a bad habit of over-saving things. All right, so now we need to choose our standard. Again, it's informational text, and again, this one is targeting standard. All right, 1.2. Save. Next. Again, online and paper. Text-to-speech, dictionary. Save. Next. All right, looks good. And I'm going to publish. Again, I'm going to exit full screen because I want to create another one from scratch. I don't know what happened to that. All right, multiple choice. Grade level, ELA. Make sure to link it again.